Hi, I'm Eric with Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for a really delicious Italian sauce. We're going to be doing a Calabrian chili aioli. It's like an Italian spicy mayo variation. This is a delicious sauce for dipping fried foods into. Great on sandwiches. There's really any number of applications for it. So stick around. It only takes a few minutes to put together, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So just real quick before I show you the process for making this sauce, I do want to talk about the star ingredient. These are Calabrian chili peppers in oil. You want to be sure that you get this exact product. You can find these at specialty Italian stores, but nowadays you can find them at most high-end grocery stores as well. And they have not only a spicy flavor, but they have a salty and smoky undertone to them as well, and they give really authentic flavor in Italian dishes. Now the Calabrian chilies are packaged with the stems, although in a few cases, sometimes like this one, they fall off in those jars. So for the ones that did not fall off, you just want to take a knife and gently remove the stems like so. And in these peppers, they do have seeds in the middle. So what we want to use that whole pepper. We're going to put these seeds and all into a food processor with the rest of the ingredients. So if you've seen my show before, you know how easy it is to make an aioli sauce. If you've never seen it, this is going to be one of the easiest recipes you ever see in your life. All you want to do is you want to go in with the peppers. Next, I'm going to add in 2 cloves of roasted garlic. There's a link in the description box below to show you my process for roasting garlic. It's super simple, but if you don't want to take the time, raw garlic will work too. Next, I'm going to add in the egg yolk only from 1 egg. We've separated that out from the egg white. I'm going to juice 1/3 of a lemon and add that in as well. And I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. And to everything that we've added into the food processor, next we're going to add some oil. Now I like to use a combination of oils when I do this. I'm going to use just about a tablespoon of the extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm going to top it off with the extra light olive oil, which has very, very little flavor. And the reason is we want to get a little bit of that flavor from the extra virgin olive oil, but if we used only that, it would overpower the flavor of those Calabrian chilies. So we're going to add a little bit and top it off for a total of 1/2 cup of oil that we're going to add to that egg yolk. And what you want to do before you add the oil, you just want to pulse this a bit. Okay, so the next step, I've combined the extra virgin olive oil with the light olive oil off camera. So what I want to do now is I want to turn the blade on constant speed. And what you want to do, you want to very slowly add in that oil. It's very important that you add the oil slowly because we want to make sure that it emulsifies with that egg yolk. And if you add it too quickly, you can end up with a broken sauce. And once you've added all the oil, the next step is very important. You want to unplug your food processor just to be safe. Take the top off. And what you want to do, you want to go in with a spatula and just kind of scrape away at those sides. We just want to make sure that any of those pieces that are stuck on the corners get moved around. So we incorporate everything and get a nice even consistency in our sauce. You can see it's got a great consistency. There's just a couple pieces of those peppers that I want to break up a little more. It's okay if they don't completely disintegrate into the sauce. So you just want to scrape the sides like so. And now that we've scraped the sides, we're going to mix it again for just a few more moments. And that's what your finished result looks like. Nice, smooth consistency. We're ready to remove this from the food processor and serve it up. Okay, so here's the finished product served up. Calabrian chili aioli, which is an Italian spicy mayo. I'm going to just give it a taste and see how it turned out. So that's really good. It has a unique really interesting flavor. You get the heat from the Calabrian chilies, but they also have that smokiness and saltiness. There are so many uses for this sauce. We're going to feature it in an upcoming video that I do, but just know that this is a great sauce for fried foods. Anything you can fry, you can dip into this sauce. It's going to be delicious. Great on sandwiches. Really, you name it, and this sauce is going to complement it well. Any type of Italian food. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'm Eric from Simply Elegant Home Cooking. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again real soon.